In this video, I'll guide you how to quickly enable SMS on any iPhone if message isn't available. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the Apps section. Tap on it, and then continue scrolling until you find Messages. Once you're in Messages, look for an option on your device called Send as Text Message. On some iPhones, this may be labeled Send as SMS. All you need to do is toggle this option on. This will allow your phone to send text messages as regular SMS when iMessage isn't accessible. And that's it. It's a simple way to ensure your message goes through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it.